So what makes the REI 90 work? We keep the process of understanding real estate investing by teaching you how to master these 6 steps. You only need to know 6. See, knowing the numbers, I'm going to show you how to make the deal make sense and sense. Every single one of my mentees who bought a property, all of them are cash flowing. None of them are losing unless they got into a situation where they didn't follow all of the steps. But usually we know everything that's going on. I try to be as close to that transaction as possible. Secondly, understanding the cost of money. I'm going to teach you how to understand the cost of money. See, most businesses struggle because they don't understand the cost of money. You think because you made $1,000 in your business, you got $1,000 profit. That's not true. You didn't account for taxes. You didn't put money back into your business. And then this is why your business is struggling. This is why you're tap dancing on getting out of that business because you didn't do it the right way, because you don't understand economics. I'm going to teach you economics. I'm going to teach you how to evaluate deals. I'm going to teach you how to use an A-team. Matter of fact, let me show y'all something. Here's what I'm going to teach you all to get very good at. Only focus on properties that are 150,000 or less. Okay. So now you may say, well, Will, where am I going to find properties under 100,000? I pulled a list of over 20 cities. Detroit, Michigan is one of them. So let me show you how to find properties under 100,000. Okay. So I'm on Realtor.com. This is no special website here. I put in Detroit, Michigan. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a filter of the purchase prices. Now, as you see right now, there's 4,438 homes for sale in Detroit, Michigan. Damn, the city is for sale. That spells opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to go in here and put minimum 0 in purchase. I'm just going to put $80,000. There's over 2,000 houses for sale in Detroit, Michigan that are not over $80,000. Ladies and gentlemen, this is opportunity. Look at this. Some of you drive cars worth more than the houses then you can go and purchase. $10,000, Dave. People spent this at Dre's this weekend. Somebody out there right now had a gender reveal party and a birthday party. People spent this at prom for their kids. And I'm not hating. I believe you should celebrate all the milestones in one's life. But what do you do once the celebration runs out and you got to go back to reality that you can't pay your bills for the next month? This is why people get headaches when they drink, because they came to the senses that they done spent all their money on liquor and they got to go back to they got to go back to the life that, like, come on, like, I'm trying to teach people. We're going to set up a SPV and all we're going to do is go buy up real estate. Look at all of it, $20,000, $60,000. This is just Detroit. I could show y'all some other markets. We're going to look up Birmingham, Alabama. Okay, Birmingham. Let's take this filter off. Okay, Birmingham, 1,912 properties for sale. All right, we're going to put in a filter, and we're going to go at $90,000 or less. 526 houses for sale in Birmingham, Alabama right now. Look at this. Look at this. Let's do one more market. Let me take you to my hometown. We're going to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. All right, so Milwaukee, there is 1,439 homes on the open market. Now, it actually could be more than this in every city because there's a lot of the times we can buy properties off market. Like that apartment building I'm buying, it is not on the MLS. So keep in mind, these numbers are actually higher because not every property you can buy is on the open market. So we're going to go 90,000 or less. There's 199 homes in Milwaukee for $90,000 or less. All right, so I'm going to pick one. So this for sale for $10,000 right here. All right, let's look at this one, $74,000. This is a multi-family, which means it's a 2-family. Okay. All right, let's read the property details in here. All right, Welcome to an outstanding investment property located in neighborhood. This duplex duplex means two family. This 2-bedroom on the first floor and 2-bedroom in the upper unit. Whether you're a new investor eager to enter the real estate market, looking to enhance your existing portfolio, this property caters to diverse investment goals. Schedule a showing, Both units bring a total of $1,600 a month. Daniel, this property is cash flowing. Now, let me show y'all something. Let me show you how to do a quick evaluation for free. So now on the $74,000, let me show you how much your mortgage would be. So if we put down 20%, your down payment is $14,000. Where's the $14,000 going to come from? Your credit lines through your SPV. Okay. Now we're going to increase this interest rate to 9% because we're going to get a commercial loan. Okay, so now right now it's $471. At $74,000 at 20% down at a 9% interest rate through your SPV, which means this property won't show under your personal, the mortgage will be $571. Now let's add in taxes. Let's see if the taxes are on here. Let's see if the taxes are on here. Let's see, home history. All right, boom. Property taxes, $77 a month. Now the PITI stands for principal, insurance, taxes, and interest. Okay, so now the PITI breaks down what the PITI looks like. So the principal and interest is $482. Property taxes approximately about $77, and they're saying that the home insurance is going to be $12. Okay, there's typically not an HOA, but I'm going to increase these numbers. So we're going to say the property taxes are, let's say they're $1,500 a year. Divide that by 12. So we're going to say that's $125 a month. We're going to say the property taxes, the home insurance is $900 a year, which if we divide that by 12, that's $75 a month. I'm showing y'all how to evaluate a deal right here live, okay? So the PITI is going to update, which brings my total to $682. How much did we say the rents were collecting? You're making $1,000 profit almost on this property. Now, we still got to figure out how much the $14,000 is going to cost you. But let's just say after all expenses, this property is making you $600 a month positive cash flow. Okay. Now, imagine if you bought 2 of these this year alone, getting the same amount of cash flow profit. What's 600 times 2? That's $1,200. What's 1,200 times 12? You're making $14,000 a year positive cash flow. Let me ask you all a question right now, ladies and gentlemen. For all my hairstylists, for all my tax professionals, for all my barbers, for all my cake decorators, for all my truckers, how much do you have to work to make an additional $14,000 from everything you're doing right now? I'm showing people how to do that from another city. They don't even go to Milwaukee. Jihad said, I ain't even been to Milwaukee. Jihad popped the champagne bottle in LA while he was closing on a property in Milwaukee. Now double that 14,000 up year 2. That's 28,000. Then double that 28,000 up year 3. This is what I teach, ladies and gentlemen.